Good morning, judges. Welcome to our video. In this video, we will present our research. But beforehand, let us introduce our team. We have RIADI, RIFFKY, AIDIL, SALWA, and me, GHANI. Our scope is engineering. So, we will present our research about future energy innovation, steam engine to solve energy challenges. Our honorable judges, a steam engine is a machine that uses heat energy in liquid vapor and converts it into mechanical energy. Steam engines were used in pumps, locomotives, ships, and most importantly in the Industrial Revolution. The steam engine is an internal combustion engine, with the liquid being separated from the combustion products. Heat sources that can be used are solar power, nuclear power, or geothermal power. If the steam expands past the piston or turbine, it will cause mechanical energy to work. Theoretical basis is from steering engine theory. The steering engine is an engine with an internal combustion system whose working principle is based on thermodynamic calculation principles. In other words, whatever heat source is used, as long as the temperature is high enough, it will drive the steering engine. In practice, the steering cycle differs from the theoretical cycle in that there are two constant temperature and two constant volume processes. The problem that occurs in the steering engine is that it usually uses fair heat that comes from burning kerosene.
The tools are cable, scissors, lighter, wood alcohol, heating stove, pre-assembled steering engine, and a multi-mirror. The purpose of this research is to understand how the steering engine works, utilizing steam production from the stove to trigger a chain reaction generated by hot air pressure from the heat-resistant glass. Light the fire and wait for a moment. Hot air that was produced by expansion piston combustion then pushed by expansion piston that will be streamed with a small hose to the compression cylinder, and that will be pressed by the compression piston. Later, with the connection will spin the two flywheels that will drive the dynamo as energy source. Drive the engine's movement by rotating the turbine. Engine should rotate as expected. Check the electric current using a multimeter. If there is a current, the experiment is successful. This innovation is a very potential alternative energy source for the future, especially most Southeast Asian countries want to make an energy transition. This is because Southeast Asian have been predicted will evolve majorly in economic aspects. So to furthermore this energy transition, this innovation might be one of the best alternatives because it's easy to carry anywhere. For a benefit, first to give insight to all people about steering engine. Second, as an education media for the students to boost open-minded thinking skills about the steam engine. And third, to give a real image about how the steering engine works. The conclusion we reach in this research is that the steering engine can be an engine with potency as power plants and engine drive because with a lot of possibilities, this engine can be modified suitable with the creator's command. With this possibility, this engine can be an engine full of high potencies for energy challenges in the future.
That brings us to the end of this presentation. Thank you, judges, for your attention and the chance that have been given to us to participate in this competition. May all of us keep innovating for the future's sake.